Great tips about how to make money online that anyone can use. The internet is a rich playing field for those who want to make a lot of money online. There are many lucrative opportunities that you can get involved in. If you want to learn some of the ways to make an income online, read the following video for lots of helpful advice. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards, and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Join a focus group if you want to make some money on the side. These groups gather together from an internet hub at a physical location where they will talk about a new product or service that is out on the market. Generally, these groups will gather in very big cities near you. Never pay money to obtain work online. Legitimate work online should pay you, not the other way around. If a service is charging you to provide you with work opportunities, chances are they are just playing middleman and providing links that are available for free if you know where to look. Anyone can make money online if they have the right approach. By getting good information like what you have read in this video, you put yourself one step ahead of the competition. Always keep an open mind to learn as much as you can about it. There is no better time than now to get started. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.